Hello, I am Shohak Kumar Shah. I am showing the exercise 2 solution here. Me and Tanjila Maula, we are working together in a group. So this is the breadboard circuit that we developed. The circuit is developed based on the instruction that is given in exercise 2 manual. So here is the breadboard circuit and here is the Arduino Uno board. In the breadboard we used a RGB LED, and here there are 4 legs in the RGB LED, and the big leg is the ground. We connected it to the ground with this black wire, and this leg is the red, and the red one is connected to the pin 7 of the Arduino Uno board. The green lead of the RGB LED is connected to the pin 8 of the Arduino Uno board, and the blue LED of the RGB LED is connected to the pin 12 of the Arduino Uno board. These all are connected based on the lab manual of exercise 2. And here is a switch. This is a push button actually, and the one end of the push button is connected to the positive supply of that. This positive supply is come from the Arduino Uno board. This is actually 5 volt, and another end of the switch is connected to the common point of the resistor, and one point goes to the Arduino Uno board, and this is pin 2 of the Arduino Uno board. The resistor, another point of push switch, and the Arduino Uno board pin 2 is connected together, and the resistor is connected to the ground. So this is all about the circuit diagram. So now I am showing the operation of the circuit. So first I am watching the SCADA beer. Here we are seeing that the count is now 0 and all the light is off and the mode is in off or manual mode. And here we are checking the monitoring system in the OpenPLC runtime. So after running the circuit, first we run in the manual mode, then we will operate circuit in the automatic mode. Okay, now I am showing the demonstration of the circuit. So when I push on this button, this is a push button, in the SCADA beer we will see that there is a change in the count value. Okay, let's start. The circuit is now in manual mode. I press the switch and the count is now 1, and here the blue LED is turned on. So I prepared a table like for which number count I will get some binary values, and the which LED will be selected by those values. I prepared this table, and for count 0 it is like no color. For count 1 it will be blue, for count 2 it will be green, for count 3 it will be blue and green, for count 4 it will be red, for count 5 it will be red plus blue, for count 6 is red green, and for count 7 it will all the LED will be light up red, green and blue all at the same time. So now let's check that for count 1 we got blue LED is turned on. So now I pressed again and let's check. Now count is 2 and the green LED is given light. We can also check it from the SCADA BR panel. Here the green LED is light up. So now I pressed once again, and after pressing 3rd times I have seen that count is now 3 and the blue and green both LEDs light up here. And we can also check this one in the PLC runtime. Okay, now I pressed for the 4th times, and here the count is 4 and the red LED is light up. Now I pressed again, and for count 5 I got the results. For count 5 I got red and blue both light up. Another pressed is count 6, and now we got red and green at the same time. And after pressing once again is count 7, and now all the lights, red, green and blue, light up at the same time. So this is the SCADA upper panel, and this is the monitoring system in the OpenPC runtime. Here red anode, green anode and blue anode all give power at the same time. Now if I press once again on the switch, it will turn off everything. Yeah, it's turned off everything and it's working fine. This is the manual mode operation.